What up, world? It's your boy Corey Lanier, man, and today is a great sunny day here in Houston, Texas, and I'm really excited to talk to you guys today because, well, first of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been subscribing because I now have 500 subscribers here on this channel. It's been a journey and I really love it. So today I want to thank you guys by giving you a small gift, but you guys have to wait to the end of the video to get that gift. It's free. But also, this video today is going to be about 6 different reasons on why you should start a blog today. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I had to go ahead and move inside because it's way too hot outside. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, but let's go ahead and get into the first reason on why you guys should start a blog today. And that reason is you want to be able to own everything that you're posting. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but when it comes to social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or whatever, every time you post media to those sites, there's like an agreement that you have to agree to before you even post, before you can even make a profile that lets you know that everything that you post on there, they own pretty much that content that you're sharing to their website. Which ultimately means that whatever you posted, they own it. So if they want to bring something that you posted down, or you know, if they want to decide to use it for an ad campaign or whatever they want to do with your content that you created, they can do it and there's nothing you can do about it. And based on that mere fact alone, I mean, that alone right there should just be enough to make you want to start your own blog, because every time you post anything on your blog, on your website, you own it, and you can decide whenever you want to take it down or if you want to post it up or make an ad out of your content. And the second reason you want to start a blog today, guys, is the fact that you can monetize your blog from day one. I'm not sure if you guys are on YouTube and you guys are trying to monetize your channels, or if you're just on YouTube and finding this video because you have social media and you're trying to monetize your social media. But if you guys had a blog with the same exact content that you guys are posting on these other channels, you could be monetizing that content immediately. For example, Google has this thing called Google AdWords, which is basically a free login you can make at Google at AdSense to be able to post like code to your website in each post that puts ads on your blog. So every time people see the ads, you get paid like a cost per however many thousand views or however many thousand clicks you get on those ads. You also can monetize your blog by putting up affiliate links. You can literally sell the content where people have to click like a PayPal link or Cash App or whatever, send you money or donate to be able to download something. You basically can have all that power just because you're the one who owns the blog. All you gotta do is just write it into the blog. Okay, so here's something that's also very powerful. And that is, when you have a blog, you have the power to create an email list. And an email list is so powerful because once you create it, you forever have the emails, and you can use that email list to build any other sales funnel or social media channel that you have going on by just mass emailing your following anytime you want to. And that is so powerful. Even if you had 100,000 followers on Instagram today, it doesn't really matter because you really still only have the ability to only reach from like 1,000 to about 3,000 of those people at any given moment. Because when you drop a post, the algorithm is only showing it to like 1 to 2% of your following. And that's if you have all organic followers and you didn't buy your followers. If you bought your followers, then that's just a way smaller number and you're probably shadow banned and don't even know it. With an email list, you can promote whatever you want, whenever you want to, however many emails you want to send it to, whenever you want to do it. And that is just so powerful. So start an email list on your blog. Now here's something else that most people don't think about. Another reason to start a blog is the fact that you're creating a platform. And not only is this platform something that you can use to reach out to a mass group of people, it's also something that other people can use to reach out to a large group of people. In other words, you will be creating a platform that whenever you want to, you can control who you give an audience to. So if you feel like there's a cause or a social need or something that needs to have awareness around it, whenever you feel the need to be able to help draw attention to that thing, you can do that by sharing your platform with other people who need that audience. Okay, so reason number 5, guys, is something that I want you to really think about. What would you do if tomorrow you woke up and you realize that Instagram is dead and it's now not available anymore? Would you be able to continue to run your business or be able to reach out to the people that you market to or make content for or teach on a daily basis? Maybe not. But if you had a website, you know that it's always going to be up as long as you want to keep it up. As long as you're paying for it every month, you're gonna be able to keep it up, and you never have to worry about like blackouts and outages like the rest of the world and the millions of people who are on these social media platforms. If you've ever noticed, whenever Facebook or Instagram have had a blackout, how people have to run to other social media like Twitter or TikTok or whatever just to be able to still be heard. And I think that at its core is a pretty scary thing to think about. If you had a blog with your own subscriber reader base, you would be able to reach out to those people in no matter what Instagram and Facebook is doing, and always be able to reach you. Everyone will know where to go to reach you and find you. Okay guys, and last but not least, one of the other major reasons why you want to start a blog is because on every YouTube post and every YouTube upload you make, in the description you can put a link to your blog, to your privately owned social media or whatever it is that you create on your blog, for people to be able to go and interact with you directly however they want to interact with you, which is powerful because of the monetization that I told you guys about. You guys can start to capture that audience and be able to work with them and communicate with them whenever. And I just think that's great. So speaking of being able to capture that audience, I'm not sure if you guys follow me on Instagram or if you guys watch my other YouTube videos and see how I color grade my videos. With a lot of those videos, I use LUTs. LUTs are like one of the best ways to color grade your videos in a short amount of time. You can kind of use it as like a start base and then kind of tweak it from there depending on where you are, whether the video is brighter or darker. And most of the time you have to pay for LUTs. Well, I have some LUTs that I made that are like my custom made LUTs, and I want to provide them to you guys for free today. I'm going to put the link in the description to where you guys can go and download those LUTs for free. And I want to make that as a thank you to you guys for subscribing to my channel, because like I said, I have 500 subscribers now and it is freaking awesome. And I plan on continuing to give you guys much more information. I have a lot of things that I want to share with you guys, not just all camera things, even though I do love cameras. And I want to also get to a point to where I'm reviewing other cameras and talking about different cameras that I own, like the Blackmagic 4K camera that I have, that I shoot a lot of videos on my other channel with, and just maybe kind of comparing it and telling you guys more about it. And then once again, I want to continue to remind you guys that me and Bay have a trip to Cancun coming back up, and we're going to be out there, and I'm really going to focus heavier on making more content while I'm out there as well, because I really want to start traveling on this channel as well. But until then, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys keep aiming for the top. Go get you some free LUTs. Go to my blog, check out the free LUTs, and start using them on your videos. But make sure you're shooting in a flat color profile first. And by the way, the LUTs that I'm giving you guys, I used on this video as well. So it just gives you a quick example on what you could do with it. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.